Hey everyone, it's Sam and Diana, and today we're going to talk to you about the 5 partners you need to start your own cash flow business using Airbnb.
And to scale your cash flow business. So the first one is a cleaning company. So we highly recommend hiring a company that has enough staff that when you do need your place cleaned, they can send somebody right away. Hiring an individual can sometimes create problems with timing.
That's right. So don't hire a cleaner, hire a cleaning company. So the second one is handyman. You need to hire. You can go out there and hire a handyman to do job per job rather than calling contractors for every little thing. So by hiring a handyman, you're able to save a lot of money on little things that can help you get 5-star reviews.
And I'm not really sure you need a huge handyman company, but maybe a handy guy that works with a few other people just in case he's busy and something needs to be done right away. And the third one is a virtual assistant. So you need a virtual team, maybe,
a virtual hosting
possibly.
company. There are companies out there who host Airbnb listings for you at a percentage. And if you want, you can do it yourself. If you only have 1 or 2, you might be able to manage it. But if you're like us and you're starting to grow it and you're also running a business and you want to spend time with your family, then you may want to leverage your time by hiring or outsourcing this part so they become your virtual front desk.
And by the way, your virtual assistant doesn't necessarily have to be local. You can hire a virtual assistant anywhere in the world. Really.
Yeah, you can outsource, and the cost is much
as long
less
as you train them to answer the questions correctly, you shouldn't really have any problems.
That's right. So the fourth one is Airbnb, which is the most important one. And a lot of you may be skeptical, how am I going to find the tenants? Well, Airbnb does all of that for you, does all the heavy lifting for you, puts your home in front of all the potential tenants. And on top of all that, they have insurance, they protect their clients. So they created a model that has disrupted the hotel industry.
And they have a huge marketing team, so definitely your listing is going to be exposed to the right people.
And they're not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So you might as well jump on the bandwagon. So basically the fifth one, and this one is really important because this is the one that you're going to be involved with, is finding the properties, partnering with either going out there and finding landlords where you can rent these out and get cash flow using Airbnb, or a real estate team or a partner who really knows how to find good deals, not just the ones that are on MLS, but getting access to exclusive listings, private sales, for sale by owners, bank foreclosures, exclusive private listings from builders. So there's a lot of opportunity if you work with the right partners. And you're able to leverage your time, literally be sitting on a beach when your real estate partner can find you these good deals and just send you the listing. And guess what? The rest of the people are all aligned. And now you have a profitable cash flow business without any of your involvement.
And by the way, most of the real estate really good deals, the ones that our investors are buying, which would be you, because this would be an investment for you, they're not really readily available to the public. So you definitely want to make sure that you work with the right team that has a network of sellers and off markets and exclusives that they can make sure that you get access to.
That's right. So if you like these videos and you find it useful, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification and share it with anybody else who you think might find it useful. Thank you.
Thanks.